Hey guys, JP here, and just making a video on how to remove your pocket bike carburetor from the engine. I got a request from Reverse Host to do it. He asked me to, he said that he appreciated my pocket bike video, but he didn't know how to. Well, he's having trouble getting the carb off of the pocket bike, so. Um, anyone else who has any bikes? First of all, I just like to say, if you guys have a pocket bike and have some maintenance they get to do that they don't know how to do, just ask me to make a video about it. I will. You know, it's just what I do for fun, one of the things. But anyway, to get right to it, you need three tools. You need a screwdriver or something to remove your air filter if you run one. You don't run an air filter all the time, but they're nice to use. You need um a Allen wrench, size as this bolt right here because it's the same. The bolt you're made out, it's the same size as the bolts on the carb, and then you need to the right size um, Allen wrench to remove the engine from the frame. I already unscrewed them, all the screws, so that it wouldn't take as long in the video, since I'm trying to keep these short. So let's get right to it. So first, what you'll have to do is you have to unscrew all the screws on the bottom of the frame under here, where that hold the engine on, and then of course you have to take off the exhaust and stuff. It may seem like a hassle to do all this. I can honestly take every single thing apart on a pocket bike and reassemble it in like half an hour. You just get used to it. So anyway, so I will take this out of the frame one. Sorry guys, whenever I do that, it's because my computer fell asleep. Frame down here. Some pocket bike frames will not require you to take the engine off, but this one does. So anyway, this is the air filter. This is where I will take the where I'll unscrew the air filter. Air filter is kind of a pain to get off since I strip this through like really bad. There we go. Okay, so that, put that to the side. And then here's the carburetor. Now what you'll do is you'll take the wrench, you will just unscrew these bolts, and when I unscrew the carburetor, I'll just get my pair of old khakis and put them under it. Hold on. So anyway, and then you'll just unscrew these bolts. Um, anyway, exhaust gasket, you're going to want to keep this somewhere safe. And then this is pretty much the carburetor right here. So yeah, and then before you clean it, you will just want to unscrew this cap right here. This is the cap for the accelerator, of course. One of the most important parts of the bike. Pocket bikes, honestly, probably 80%, I mean, not 80%, probably at least 30% of the parts are optional on it, like the air filter and stuff. I don't run that. Anyway, so yep, and then he asked me to disassemble it and reassemble it. I have no problem since I'll end up doing it anyway, so we'll put that back in, screw it on, and it does get annoying sometimes when the screw falls off because the thread doesn't catch. Try not to touch my computer with my greasy hands. And it sucks when it goes crooked like that. It pisses me off. Threading it. There we go. And it's still crooked. Sorry for this, guys. I'll post a link in the description, maybe. Like for the point in the video where I finally screw this on. Okay, you know what? Never mind. I was gonna post like what time I screwed it on, and then you would just put this on the reed block right here. Put it over there. Put the screws in the screw holes. Line it up. Before you do that, you want to make sure that you get your gasket and you put it right there. You want to make sure it's in line with both of these screws. This little part is like, and then put that screw, and then tighten these screws. Tighten each of them at first so the gasket doesn't fall out. That's a pain in the ass. I am already at 7 minutes, which is really long. I hate making long videos like this, but you know. So anyway, and then after you screw these two bolts in, make sure that they're tight. You know, you don't want gas leaking through. You guys really want to make sure you don't do like a half-ass job doing this because, you know, just make sure everything's perfect. Because next time you fix it, you will actually have to take the carburetor off the pocket bike again, which is boring. Not boring, it's just a lot of work. And then the air filter, I always put these holes up. You're supposed to put them down, but I'd rather just put them up since like there's so much more crap that can get through from the ground than from higher up. So I'll put that in, especially if you go through like mud and stuff. I mean, if you race, doesn't really matter. If you race, you shouldn't. I don't run an. I mean, you don't even have to run an air filter if you race. To be quite honestly, some people use high performance air filters like make the flow as quick as possible. But the real way to do that is just to. Hey guys, I'm just gonna do that thing with the gloves where you actually make like a little ball. You don't touch anything. And I'll stop the video right here. So, where's my mouse? Okay.